In this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring invoices with AutoPay in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so you can automate billing while keeping payment tracking organized and predictable. Start by creating a normal invoice from the New button, selecting the customer, adding products or services, confirming rates, taxes, and terms, and treating this invoice as a template that future bills will copy. Once the layout looks correct, open the Manage or Scheduling panel and enable the recurring option. Then assign a clear template name and choose a scheduled type so QuickBooks can generate and send invoices automatically at weekly, monthly, or quarterly intervals. If online payments are enabled on your account, you can activate accepted payment methods and allow customers to authorize AutoPay, though availability and processing timelines may vary depending on settings and region. Always review customer details, email delivery options, and the first billing cycle to confirm everything posts correctly and avoids duplicate charges or missed reminders. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.